Yes, my fanatics, my folks, my audience, all over the world, hitting you, clutching you with the good beverage, with the good bread. What that? So me plant them the pound window. Your favor idiot. Foreign me there. You understand? Big up on yourself, my people, my fanatics, my folks all over the place. See there? Fix up me, I fix up place and I clean up place. My people, my fanatics, my folks, want chat to you this morning. You want chat about now. You understand what Jamaica needs now? You understand what I mean? What Jamaica needs now, first of all. Just like how now watch a little vlog and Chronics must buy a jet. But that's how I make my point off of this. Chronics must go buy a private jet for 78 grand, 75 million. See? So one selector when name must have Ricky Trooper, whatever I want him. Come like say I hate him or show or whatever. But I'm going to show you something, my people. You understand? I'm not business about no rumor or this or that. But what Jamaica need now, we as Jamaicans, me as Jamaicans, we need to stop bad mind one another. You understand? We need to stop bad mind each other. So what? A man make car, you know? So if a man buy a car, why should I be vexed with the man? When him show me say, I can do it too. You understand? Because if him can do it, me can do it. If man without hand, I drive. Then me no can drive too. What have done with the idiot thing? My people, my fanatics, my folks, my audience. I wanted to really spread this video. We have to stop with the foolishness. You understand? And this bad mind thing, and a fun thing. I want whole heap of business people lose them life by people that roll up on them and just drive up on them and shoot them. Now, what kind of foolishness that? My people, my fanatics, my folks. The education minister, me can't like them. The government of Jamaica, me cannot like them. No. Because here why me can't like them now. Everybody are going like them and remember about Marcus Garvey. Marcus Garvey is a black god. Without Marcus Garvey, we wouldn't have no identity as black people. Basically, he fight for the freedom and the rights of black people all over the globe, so them free and is able to think, to educate themselves, and to be self-sufficient and self-reliant. My people, my fanatics, my folks, my audience, my people them all in America. Without Marcus Garvey, no Malcolm X. You understand? Without Marcus Garvey, no Dr. Martin Luther King. You understand? Because Marcus Garvey is the one who started up the Negro Improvement, you understand, Association. So you see the red, green and black, where Gucci having them colors. Yes? I tell you what black people, I telling you why I wanna like this thing so much. Why black people like Gucci, you know? It's because the green, the black and the red is a Garveyite color. You understand? It's a national Negro pride color. You understand what I mean? Black power. You understand? Yeah? Every other culture have them power. So why can't we run up on this and say black power? When we had a last start in the race of life. You understand what I mean? Let me quote something from Marcus Garvey again. Marcus Garvey also said, a struggle started united. When anything where you enter and you start it off united, you have already won. You understand? So if 10, 20 people stick together and they have the one idea and follow through on the idea, you understand? They have already won. So I know we not come together as a set of black culture. You understand? The Jamaican, where we in a lead the black culture wave, and I try to lead the people in the positive set. And what mess up about with people is not the guns, it's the people their mind, it's their mindset. The mind is set right. They understand? A little news come up. Me not cut the pine. But a little news come up. Woman there St. Catherine. She's a eagler. She's hustling all in at the hot sun. Yes? Or somebody mother, somebody granny, or somebody auntie. And to come and tell me that a man come up on the woman and shoot the woman in her face in a St. Catherine. That's a shame. You understand? A man gonna tell me say a gun do it. Man could have do it. Man could have killed people with a hand if you want, or a knife if you want, or run somebody over with a car. Enough way or you could have killed somebody. You understand? So is the mindset ain't right. You understand what I'm saying? Is the mindset ain't right. Look, What mean in Jamaica? The people them run Marcus Garvey out of Jamaica because they weren't willing to step up to the plate. Marcus Garvey say teach you them science and technology from in 1920. No, 2019. From 1920 to 2019. Count that amount of time. And if we were educating our kids in Jamaica about technology, we would have been way ahead of the Chinese them, way ahead of Silicon Valley. My people, my fanatics, my folks, my audience, did you know that there's a guy we call Haile, a Jamaican inventor? Yes? That make your car can run off your piss. It can run off of water. Yeah? Piss of water. The man make a technology. Jamaican, when you're Haile, make a technology where you can drop in your car, you don't need no gas. You don't need to plug in a no station. You just fling water in your bird. You just put water in where you would have put your gas car. You convert the whole system of the car. How amazing is that? Why does no one talk about this? You understand? Where's our black pride? You understand? Where's our black culture? You understand what I mean? Instead of Marcus Garvey come back to Jamaica and everybody ready to receive the Messiah, the Messiah, the Marcus Messiah Garvey name, say it, prophesied the coming of the Ethiopian king, which is Emperor Selassie. Yes? And he was accurate. He done a play about it. He was accurate. It did happen. I'm sick to my stomach, my people. My people 100 years behind. And this we're not talking about where enslavement set us back. I'm talking about where we set ourselves back. Because our history never began in another slavery. You understand what I mean? We are great kings and queens of whole. You understand? Them boy come and tear down the great Zimbabwe wall to make it seem like black man can't do nothing great. You understand? Them boy go and turn Egyptian into white people. You understand what I mean? Just to not give props to black people. You understand? They say aliens build the pyramid instead of saying black man build it and giving black man the props and the praises and the respect for what he deserves. You understand me, my people? You understand? Yeah? Give dues where it's due. Right now I'm in a city called Bristol. Over here, yeah? Right when me the right castle right now. Let me show you that the blood clot though. When I must think it's a joking thing, this my people, my fanatics, my folks, my audience. I don't know the joke. I'm not asking no teeth. Look through that place. Look there. You see that? When you see that, me just gonna quick look out there. And that's so. You see pan the same blood clot water side there. And that's so them care our ancestors. Pan the corner wall you can see where them used to keep we ancestors in a blood clot chain. See that? What you think we wear the chain for? A symbol of oppression that we still going through. Why you think I'm wearing it? Style? Fashion? You understand? Nah, you understand? Like what the elders said, the man them take the chain off our neck. Yeah? Transform it into a gun and put it on our waist, my people. No? We need the teachings of His Majesty. Jamaica, we need the teachings of His Majesty. Because when Rasta depend higher Jamaica, crime depend low. Yeah, I remember. You understand? Edward Seaga will just pass away and put on in a ground. You understand what I'm saying? Condolences to the family and everything, but you don't know. Him and Michael Manley, Bob Marley hold up the two of them hand. Hold up the two of them hand in the peace concert. Right now, my people, Jamaica don't need a PMP and a Labour right. We don't need them thing there. We need one party, Jamaica party. And people just vote for the things that they want to change in their country. You cannot use a white man system to rule a black country. It doesn't make any sense. Because the Europeans ain't using an African system for rule for them country. You understand? They model their thing off ours. And then we forget to model our things off ourselves. You understand? My people, my fanatics, my folks, I'm so annoyed. Minister of Education, Marcus Garvey down there is a national hero. Give the people and the teachings of Marcus Garvey and King Selassie and make black people and the young youth them feel proud of themselves. Little youths, put on the rascal gun. Gun and a fun. Put on the bomber gun. You understand? Too much killing. You understand? Too much rascal killing. Marcus Garvey, they are blood clot America. And them, the black American, them try to assassinate Marcus Garvey. The FBI, at the time called the BI, Bureau of Intelligence, it was created because of Marcus Garvey Back to Africa movement. That's why it was created. And they sabotage Marcus Garvey all the way. And to believe it, even today, they might talk about, oh, Marcus Garvey was on tax evasion. When the people them blatantly sabotage the man. You understand? With the people them from his own movement. The very man who Marcus Garvey used to tell his secret was the CIA agent. My people, my fanatics, my folks, my audience. And to think about it one more time, my people, yeah? One CIA official confessed on him deathbed that them blatantly try to sabotage the blood clot Rastafari movement. Because they never knew if it was a political movement or a non-political movement. And it was gathering too much momentum. My people, my fanatics, my folks, my audience. So black people, you don't have to love on yourself. Jamaicans, you don't have to love on yourself. My favorite idiot, you don't have to love on yourself. But love on your mother. You understand? Love on your mommy. You understand? Love on your papi. Love on your history. You understand? Because history not begin with no slavery, my people. We need the teachings of Garvey in the school them. Because the youth them now go on good. Now go on good. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? Me all know little youth were just born last week. And me go to Jamaica. When I say last week, me mean say them man born 97, 96. Me left the man them as little youth at Jamaica, me go back there. How about 4 of the little youth them dead and gone? The man them not even turned 21 a blood clot. What the hell is that? You understand? What is that? So me have to put this to YouTube and put it to the world. So the whole of the Jamaican people can see the video and say, yes, this is what we need, what Jamaica need now. You understand? Is more productivity. You understand? More unity. You understand? More peace. Come like with blood clot, forget what we've been through in slavery. Eh? We have to fight 400 blood clot years to be free. 400 years in a Babylon. 400 years. Eh? My people, my fanatics, my folks, my audience, come on, man. Tell me if me I tell no lie, man. Leave on the likes and the comments and the share and everything. Of course, hitting the real hard with a good beverage. Cause every now and again, me have to put on something educational. Cause you don't know it's edutainment. You understand? It's education, entertainment and all that. Me not always just talk news. Sometimes me a rap. Sometimes me talking news. Sometimes me do a music review. You understand? Me just run my channel. Oh, me run it to keep it original. You understand? So blessed my people, my fanatics, my folks. I'm coming up real fast and hard soon with an interview of a person who been out in Jamaica for 9 years. Yes? So basically, they've been out in Jamaica for 9 years, and because of the Windrush things, they get sent back to Jamaica. After 9 years now, British government want to compensate the man. Take the man out of his life after the man resettling in Jamaica now and come and apologize. My people, I'm going to left it on the note here now. Because we're going to do the interview and we'll see what go on. You understand? For now, I just want to just think about Marcus Garvey. Every blood clot black man will look on this video. Please, look into some Marcus Garvey. The people in Jamaica. Rastafari Jamaica. Bongo man, Congo man. We have to force feed the youth them about Marcus Garvey. If the youth them can get force fed about gun and violence and fuckery, then we're going to force feed them knowledge. You understand what I mean, eh? So them understand themselves and where they stand in the race of life. You understand what I mean? Yes? You understand? Right now in this morning, I feel Marcus Garvey, my ancestor, busting on my body. I feel him, I feel John Marcus Garvey. I feel Holy Emmanuel life. I feel him in my body. You understand? I feel him through my veins. I feel Nanny of maroon in my every follicle. I feel Paul Bogle in every inch of me. You understand? Zin, come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. How much more black man are going to dead by a bomb clot gun? How much more Peter Tosh are going to get shot in them head? The bomb clot is that. Come on, Jamaica, man. Come on, man. A yes, Marcus Garvey come from. A yes, Bob Marley come from, man. Come on, man. Chronics are going good. A yes, the youth them come from. Come on, man. The reggae girls them are going good. Come on, man. We food turn up, we dance turn up, we fashion turn up. Everybody wanna be us. Come on, my people. Now make me cry. You understand? Cause I promise say, nobody now gonna see your water come out of me eye again. No one. You understand? Cause I have to be strong for you and I people now. You understand? So me I cry, dry cry. Remember me tell you, over and over my people. I love when you say, You understand? I feel away, my people. I just have to let out my spirit on that one. And just keep it really real with you know. You understand? See that sweat on my face. I mean what I say. Every word, my people. John, no. Over and out, my people. I love you, no, man. Like what Bob Marley said, everything is going to be alright, you know? So my people are crying, you know? You understand? After we've been through so much, God Almighty will make us find our way out of this. You understand? God Almighty is what make this happen. You understand? Because a God make we get enslaved and a God make we free. If you agree or disagree, leave on the like on the comments or whatever. Then I try showing up on the water side. Oh, that's how the boy them used to slave with. I mean, they're right on the water side there, actually. Look at that, my people. You see how things link? Me left all the way come from my yard. From Jamaica where the blood clot me come a ferry. And me come live right by the bamboo clot place where the man them enslaved the ancestor them. We have to be strong in ourselves, my people. You understand? Right now where we're there, a lot of the buildings that are here were built off the back of slaves, off of the sugar money out of the Caribbean. Yes? So big up on yourself, my fanatics, my folks. And we have to educate ourselves about Marcus Garvey. Marcus Garvey, Marcus Garvey, Marcus Garvey. Jamaica, where is your love? You understand? Where is your love? You understand? I try to show you that this gun sitting here affect me. You understand? About 3 or 4 people, me know personally, were dead. Vicious by gun. Dirty stinking gun. Dirty stinking chain and shackle where they used to put around our neck. And enslave we and draw we go where they want draw we go. Them transform it and put it in a gun. And keep we down. Mental slavery a kill we. None but ourselves can free our mind. We have to educate ourselves about our ancestors. You understand? And stop making these people make a mockery out of us. We have to stop making these people make a mockery out of us. You understand? And we have to stop making them people here think that, oh yeah, black people is violent and this and that and this and that. You understand? Black people are violent, nothing. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? Black people, all of the youth them are misguided out there. Wanna go read some Marcus Garvey. Settle on the mind. You understand? Not go bother to kill no one. You understand? Because you kill a man today, you can't kill him tomorrow, though. Then him family vex. And if he catch you, you're gone. You understand? Selassie I live. Jah, Rastafari. You understand? Me have to say Jah on the video, yeah. So remember who I talk to now. You understand? I don't just want to entertain, I don't just any old little face. You understand? I was a problem child, and a Rasta saved me. Youths, go study Rasta. Go study about Marcus Garvey. And Negro improvement. And self-reliance and self-sufficiency. Big up to Sizzla Kalanchi. Over and out.